Welcome back to our channel, Weight Loss Diet. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. How to make a healthy smoothie for weight loss. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and boost your overall well-being, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be sharing some delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes that will help you on your weight loss journey. So, let's dive in and get started. Smoothies are an excellent way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet while keeping the calories in check. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which not only aid in weight loss but also promote overall health. Here are some key steps to make a healthy smoothie for weight loss. Choose the right base. Start by selecting a healthy liquid base for your smoothie. You can opt for water, coconut water, almond milk, or Greek yogurt. These options are low in calories and provide the necessary hydration and protein for your smoothie. Load up on veggies. Adding vegetables to your smoothie is a great way to boost its nutritional value. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, or Swiss chard are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and have very few calories. You can also add carrots, beets, or cucumbers for added nutrients. Include protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that helps keep you fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. You can add protein-rich ingredients like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or tofu to your smoothie. Alternatively, you can also use protein powder or nut butter for an extra protein punch. Add healthy fats. Healthy fats are crucial for weight loss as they keep you satisfied and help regulate blood sugar levels. Avocado, nuts, seeds, or coconut oil are excellent options to add healthy fats to your smoothie. Sweeten naturally. Avoid adding processed sugars or sweeteners to your smoothie. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like fruits, dates, or honey to keep it healthy and low in calories. Get creative with flavors. Experiment with different flavors to keep your smoothie interesting. You can add fruits like berries, bananas, mangoes, or pineapples for natural sweetness and a burst of vitamins. You can also add spices like cinnamon or ginger for added flavor and metabolism-boosting benefits. Blend it up. Once you have all your ingredients ready, blend them together until you achieve a smooth and creamy texture. You can adjust the consistency by adding more liquid if needed. And there you have it. A delicious and nutritious smoothie that's perfect for weight loss. Incorporate these healthy smoothies into your diet as a meal replacement or a snack to aid in your weight loss goals. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching.